Next, let's look at the weekly view. On the left-hand side, you'll see your master tasks list. This brings all of your tasks together in one place, but we'll go through that section separately a little later. At the top of the weekly calendar, you can see the date range for the week you're viewing. You can use the previous, today, and next buttons to move between weeks, or use the date picker to jump directly to a specific week. Just below that is the task priority legend. Tasks can be marked as low, medium, high, or urgent, making it easy to see which ones should take priority. Each day of the week has its own section. This is where you'll see everything scheduled for that date, including appointments, events, recurring tasks, regular tasks, and bills that are due. If you click on the heading for any day, you'll jump directly to the daily view for that date, making it easy to switch from your weekly overview to a more detailed daily schedule. You can also use the plus task button or the quick add field within each day to quickly add a task directly to that date. We'll cover creating and managing tasks in more detail later. As you move through the week, you may also notice helpful status labels such as past due or due today, making it easy to spot anything that needs immediate attention. On the right, the Coming Up section gives you a preview of what's scheduled over the next 7 days, including upcoming appointments and bills, helping you stay one step ahead. Below that is a small notes area for your upcoming week, and at the bottom of the page, you'll find a larger weekly notes section where you can write reminders, ideas, goals, or anything else you'd like to keep track of throughout the week. The weekly view gives you the perfect balance between planning ahead and staying focused on the current week, while making it easy to jump into any day whenever you need a closer look.